Tech people from all around the world are suffering from three main problems. Shiny object syndrome, meaning they spend all their money on the newest tech gadgets. I don't have the time mindset, meaning I'm too busy. And last but not least, not having clarity or the right plan. If you don't know me, I'm Oscar Charlan. I'm an online health and fitness coach for tech guys, helping them becoming the most healthiest fit versions of themselves in day-to-day life. In fact, I've helped hundreds of busy guys just like you. For example, Abisai, lead software engineer, shed 17 pounds of body fat and double his energy in 3 months. Arturo lose 22 pounds in 3 months while working 50-hour weeks. And Michael, software engineer, shred 14 pounds because it actually was fitting into his life. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can also become that best version of yourself, increasing your energy levels both in your health and at your work. So pay attention, let's dive into it. So number one, the shiny object syndrome is that most tech people spend all their money on newest tech gadgets, like needing that new iPhone, having that newest Apple Watch, and getting it without looking at the price tag. But or they get the money because it's the new thing and they really need it. But when it comes to your health, you try to save up on everything, buy cheaper food products, not get gym membership because you're gonna save some money, or also not get any help when you feel like stuck in your health or fitness journey. You try it on your own the countless time, things doesn't work, you feel stuck for maybe months, years, or you have given up, which is really actually worse. And the more this cycle happens, the worse it gets. So instead, spending all that money on newest tech gadgets, which you probably don't really need, and that doesn't help you at all. Try to invest some of that money into yourself, go to better gym, join some group classes, which is gonna be more motivating, or get one-to-one support with a coach that's gonna keep you accountable, that's gonna keep you motivated. And in this way, you're gonna also level up. Not only, of course, in your health and fitness, how high energy levels look better in front of the mirror or in your favorite clothes, but you also increase your energy and focus levels. That's gonna help you do better work, level up in your career. For example, like my client, Abisai, lead software engineer, who before working with me, he was stuck with for 3 years, not seeing any progress. His energy levels were super low because he was restricting himself with low-calorie diets. And after working with me, we increased his energy levels. He got me new promotion at his work, works better, has more focus hours in his day-to-day life. So it's not only for your health, fitness, how you look, it's also really levels up your other areas of your life. And second thing, I don't have the time mindset. Yes, you do. Everyone has the same 24 hours in our day, and there are way more busier entrepreneurs, executives with families that gets more things done than you. And also good mindset to approach with business is that I know we often beat ourselves of being too busy, but it's actually a good sign, because when we are busy, it actually means that we are invested in our goals, we are doing things, we are trying to become better versions of ourselves in our work, and the same we want to apply also in our health, doing more things, becoming that best version, because we are on the mission and we are making things happen. You working long hours means that you don't have the time to do unnecessary things. You can actually be way more efficient, because it's not about doing more, it's about doing less, but the right things. And think about it. How much faster would you achieve your goals if you would do what you say and not spend endless hours on your computer or scrolling your phone, lying in a couch, eating junk food, and hanging with low energy people that you don't even like? Yes, you might work long hours, it's demanding, but what do you do outside of the work? Look at the time you spend there. Are the things you're currently doing is helping you move closer to that goal? If not, then you want to identify those things that are preventing you from reaching that goal. Becoming that best version of yourself, with high energy levels, liking what you see in front of the mirror, getting that new promotion at your work, getting more things done at your work, and everyone is looking at you, how you can do that. Everyone is admiring you from the work you do, also your family is really inspired by you because you are the best version of yourself. You know, you are healthy, fit, energized, and it's actually way easier than you think. You just have to identify those things and remove them from your life. Then the only thing that has left to do is you and your goal. No other distractions. And last but not least is having that clarity, right plan in your life, because I've been talking with many like tech people who've been reaching out to me, you know, trying to get my help, but I usually ask them questions like, what's your goal? And then they answer me like, I actually don't know. So how can you like become that best version without knowing your goals, you know? So the easiest way to know that, just look at your future version, like when you are 50, 60 years old, you know, and how do you want to feel? How do you want to look? Where do you want to live? How much money in your bank account you want to have, you know? How do you want to be for your family, for your kids? You know, once you are clear with that vision, you will also understand what are the steps you need to do today, this week, this month. You know, how many times to gym you have to go, how many movements you have to get in your day, you know. You also have to prioritize work-life balance, taking some time off from work as well, not only spending all the time in front of the screen, you know. And then if you're already experiencing now in your 30s or 40s, like lack of energy, man boobs, you know, you're being overweight, and if you don't like change any things right now, do you think that 50 or 60-year-old version will appreciate you for the things you're currently doing? Or he would appreciate like that you take finally action, change your life, become that best version of yourself, you know, like what you see in front of the mirror, be comfortable without shirt, how high energy and focus levels, you know. And once you have that clear vision, like without any doubt, you're gonna become that best version of yourself. And that's not only gonna help you in your health, of course, but you have more time for your family, you do better job at your work, you get new promotions, and many other things, right? So it's not only just one thing, it's like holistic approach, the same like for your health, you have to focus on many things like sleep, diet, nutrition, but once you are that best version of yourself, it also goes to other aspects of your life as well. So if you like don't have that right plan, don't have that clarity in your life, and you want to become that best version of yourself, you know, then book that Health Discovery Health Assessment call, link in bio, to apply for my coaching program, like work with me, one-on-one setting. I'm gonna help you define your goals, have that clarity in your life, and that you become your best version of yourself. Then just book that Health Discovery Health Assessment. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video.